All right, in today's video, it is a great video. It is the Watermelon Wars weigh-in of a giant. All right, this is the first time that you're going to see this watermelon, and I got my tent that I'm about to unveil. So get ready. I mean, really get ready. All right, now I'm gonna do this slow. This is the first time. Are you ready? Are you nervous? Here it comes. Boom! A giant. Now, I'm gonna show you something. We're gonna bring you in close. This is a 5-gallon bucket. I want you to see how big it is in relation to that 5-gallon bucket. All right, hopefully it weighs a lot. All right, now before we get started, I got this brick here because I had a vole hole, a big one. I stomped it down and I put the brick over it. Now, all these voles are making holes all around. If you look over here, and I'm glad I'm showing you this because I'm glad that we were able to get this giant melon. All right, so what I'm going to do now is so exciting. I want you to come in and see what it looks like up and close. Now, the tendril has already turned brown. I was kind of sad about that because I felt like this melon could get even bigger, but right now it's already done. So I'm about to go ahead and get it. So come on over here. All right, so am I nervous? I don't know, because I think I got a giant. Now, someone beat me, oh well, but I did what I said I was gonna do. I was gonna get a giant melon. All right, so I'm about to cut the melon. All right, look how pretty this thing look. All right, I wish it would grow a little bit more. All right, here we go. No return. Oh yeah, it's been cut. All right, so we're gonna go over to the scale. We're gonna keep it rolling. So let me go ahead and bend my knees so I don't wanna hurt my back. So when I lift this, oh man, I need some help. I need Broke Farmer and I need So Good Gardener to come help me out because I don't want to drop it. Let me try it one more time. Let me use my old man strength. All right, ready? Oh, it's like lifting weights. Oh, let me hurry up so I don't drop it. All right, we're coming on over to the scale and we're gonna put it down first. Let me cut my scale on. Oh, so we're gonna zero it out for you. All right, so I want you to come on up, zoom in, wait till it get to 0. It's on 0 zeros. All right, one more time. Come on, be a big one, be a good one. Oh, here we go. Come on in and see what it looks like. All right, 42.4. All right, let's go. Oh, 42 pounds. 4 ounces. All right, I was hoping for a lot bigger melon, but I did what I did, and we're gonna see if it's gonna hold. I know it's not a 50-pound melon, but that is what it is. All right, so I may have another melon. Do you think one that could be bigger than this? I don't know. If the weather's right, we just might. All right, I'll see you later. Bye. Hey, I'm glad you're still here. I had to put this piece in. I hope this doesn't happen to you, but when I was outside weighing the scale, brought it inside, my wife said, did you take a picture of it? I was like, no, I would have never known if I didn't try to take a picture of it on the scale. But it actually weighs 4 pounds more than that, and I'm gonna tell you why in a second. What I should have done, I should have took it off the scale and I should have put it back on and then let it wait a lot longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the scale on, and I'm gonna have it zeroed out first. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the watermelon back on and let's see what it says. I am in pain right now. All right, so the reason why, I'm gonna take you outside and I'm gonna show you what I found when I went back out there. So let's go. Now, if you remember early in the video, I had my scale right here. I did not look down to see I don't know, the voles and the moles dug out the area up under here, so I don't know, that tilted the scale, but I think it was due to that. Then I pushed it back up later when I found out. I put it right here. It says 46 pounds. So when you are weighing your melon, make sure that you at a level playing field. I don't know, I guess the voles got me, but I'm gonna get them because I got a video that's gonna be coming out in a couple weeks, maybe, because I got to get over my fear of what I'm gonna do, but it's gonna be great. Now hopefully I got enough time to get another melon. I don't know because of the weather, but I want to show you this. I am using the tent. So I got a melon up under there. It's not real big yet, but it's being protected by the force. All right, so I hope this helps. If you're trying to weigh your melon, weigh it more than one time and make sure you're on a even area when you are getting ready to weigh that melon, and weigh it twice before you cut it off. Next time I'll know to do that. This will not happen again, and these voles are in trouble. All right, later, bye.